Hello, good afternoon, guys. How are you doing this afternoon? In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 ways to more sales in your business. As you're jumping on, while Facebook building my audience for me, I will let it do its thing. When you're jumping on, feel free to drop my hashtag live if you're watching live, and if you're watching a replay, hi my replay viewers, and also if you're watching on YouTube, I thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future training. And as well, and if you're watching on YouTube, you know what to do. Like, comment, and share, and invite your team. And if you find value, which I know that you will, but let's get started, because in a minute my internet might drop down. Let's see. And let me introduce myself. If it's your first time seeing me, the name is Alexandra, and my passion is to help people make and save money online using the power of the internet, and also I help you start your own business with $50 or less. Isn't that great? Hi, Emmanuel. Thanks for jumping on. Hi, Max. Thanks for jumping on. And the first thing to get more sales in your business, because I know a lot of people have been asking me exactly what we're doing and exactly how to get more sales in your business, because they've been struggling with that part. They either not getting more leads, or they're getting leads and they're not getting more sales. But you have to understand there's a certain step that need to be done to be able to achieve those steps, and I will describe those steps for you step by step, and you need to implement what I teach. I know I'm not saying I'm a guru and everything, but I've been in the game in a while, so I've tested and see what works, and I'm gonna teach you exactly what you need to do. And if you implement, I guarantee you that you're gonna still start seeing some result in your business. All right. The first thing that you're going to do, you need a sales funnel. The reason that you need a sales funnel, because some people say that you don't, I actually think that you do, because if you have your website out there and people go into your website, if you don't have a sales funnel to capture the information, to capture their emails, you have no way to know who's going to your website and how to follow up with them, because you have to understand that a lot of people need to see things at least 5 to 7 times, even up to 12 times before they take action. You might be lucky to find someone that buy on the first try, but you have to know, if you don't get the information, they go to your website once and you have no information from them, and you're basically lost in the air. You have no way to contact them, and that's a lead that you will never be able to follow up with. So a sales funnel, that's considered like a capture page, an autoresponder, and also a follow-up system. Like sometimes some people do 30 days, some people do 60 days. It all depends on you, but as long that you are following with the people, presenting them with your opportunity over and over, they be able to do their research and then see exactly what your opportunity is about. They need to watch you, see who you are as a person, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So when they do that, they'll be able to be more comfortable to sign up with you. So a sales funnel is really important. And you need, number two, you need exposure on your opportunity. Whatever that you promoting, you need exposure. You can do it by using, like, social media. You can do offline marketing. You can do paid traffic. However that you need to do it to get more eyes on your opportunity that you need to do. You can promote on your profile, fan page, Snapchat, YouTube, wherever that you choose. You need to talk to as many people as possible, or present your opportunity in front of as many people as possible, because you have to understand it is a numbers game. The more people that see your opportunity, the better chance that you have in getting more sales. If you just, let's say you're talking to 10 people a day, or maybe you got 10 leads a day, that's not gonna cut it, because you have to understand a good conversion rate is at least 20 to 30%. That means out of 100 people that see your opportunity, maybe 20 or 30 people might jump on it, might sign up, not even on the first try. And that means, like, you need to keep talking to more people until you get some results. I even can take the example for myself, like, because you guys know I promote different opportunities. There's one of the opportunities, and I actually talked to at least 500 people before I get my first sale. I started to get discouraged, but I needed to remind myself, you have to it's a numbers game, keep going, and you're gonna get there. And it did, happen. I kept talking to people, following up, and I did get my sales. And number three, you need traffic to your opportunity. You can either do it with paid traffic or you can do it with free traffic. Example of free traffic, you can use your profile, you can use like let's say you're on Facebook, you can use Facebook groups, you can use like offline marketing, you can use different strategies like to bring like that you don't have to pay for to bring eyes to your opportunity. In paid traffic, you can use Facebook ad, Instagram ads, YouTube ad, Bing ads, let me see, flyers or Udemy, solo ads, whatever that you can use as long you pay for it. It's called paid traffic. So you need to get as much traffic as possible to your opportunity. Then once people start seeing it, because like once people start seeing it, they'll start getting like familiar with your opportunity. They'll keep saying over and over. They will do their research and sign up with you eventually. And number four, you need to test. The thing is, some people might keep getting stuck on one type of traffic or a type of way of marketing, and if that doesn't work, they get frustrated and they quit. You have to understand, especially in online marketing, network marketing, or like building a business online, it requires a lot of testing. Hi Stephanie, hi Carmen, thanks for jumping on. It requires a lot of testing. You might understand some you might be on Facebook and Facebook might not be your target, and if you're more an Instagram person, Instagram might be where all your target audiences. That's where you might get most of your sales. Maybe online might not be your thing. You might need to test out offline marketing to see if it doesn't work, if it work better for you, or maybe paid traffic is your cup of tea. You need to test out, because not all traffic is not called equal, is not equally how can I explain this, something that might work for someone. Hi Nico, how are you? Thanks for jumping on. Something that might work for someone might not work for you. Somebody might be getting great sales, might be getting great result with free traffic, and especially if you just got started, people don't know you yet, free traffic might not be your thing right now. You need to invest a little bit in paid traffic to get more eyes to your opportunity, then to build your following, bring more exposure. Then you're gonna start getting some result with free traffic. Maybe either paid or free traffic now online might not be for you. Like they say, offline is the thing, because there's a lot of people that that don't know about the opportunity that we have online. So we need to explore more of the people that's offline and bring them online to see what's going on, because the world is evolving, everything is going online, and a lot of people that's willing to invest, because they don't and jump on our opportunity because they don't know about it. But if we go out there and tell them about it, they're more willing to join. So I'm with you, girl. We need to explore offline for sure. And like I said, online might not be a cup of tea. Do I need any system to follow up? Yes, I do. I actually use Builder to follow up. It's actually it's a system all in one. You can do your capture page in there. You can do your autoresponder. You can build your website. It's like a whole system. Instead of going to pay Aweber, get response in one, and or pay TCP in one, and pay this in one, you're building your website in one. It's like a whole system. You just get everything at once. You don't have to keep going everywhere. And even me, I've been with them for a couple months. I'm still exploring it. It's a really vast system, and it can really help you out. If you want some information, just feel free to let me know, and I'll give you more information about it. But you can do your research as well. It's called Builder, or is a whole in one system. That's what I use. And as well, the main thing, and I always keep stressing, the last but not least thing that you need to bring more sales to your business, and I keep stressing that on almost all my videos, you need patience, because some people are very impatient. When they see they're not getting sales as fast that they would like, they either quit. You have to understand, it takes at least 3 to 5 years to be able to get a breakthrough in whatever that you're building. If you're one of the high grinder and hustlers, your breakthrough might come faster than that, but honestly it takes at least like, depending on how you're going, at least 90 days or 6 months to be able to see some kind of great result. If you just started an opportunity and after 30 days, because you didn't make any money, you quit, you're setting yourself for failure. Because like it doesn't matter, like, because you understand, like, when you go and you building, 30 days not gonna cut it, because the 30 days is the time that you are building your foundation, you get in the training, so you haven't really even get the whole knowledge of the company yet. You're still learning. So 30 days, if you quit after 30 days, is not good for you. It's basically you starting over. Now you're gonna look for another company. And you know have I heard of MCA? I heard of MCA Profit as well, but the thing is, I heard that they say the leads doesn't come to you directly. The leads go to them. They message the leads for you. I kind of don't trust that. I want to be able, like, yes, they say they send them like at least a 30-day follow-up for you, but I still don't trust that, because there's nothing that tell me if the person did sign up or not. And if they did sign up, if they sign up, it might get in the sale, or the sale is going to your system as well. So I kind of don't trust it. Some people say it's good, like the video is basically selling, it's closing, but the part that you don't have control over the leads, I don't really like that. But some people like it. Oh well. Me, I don't mind building my own thing. That's why I use the system that I use. If you like, creative, you can do your own thing. You can use that system. But if you like think people to do things for you, you can try the system. But I don't know how you do, girl. You create a great website. You create your own thing. You can build your own thing. You don't have to pay, I think, what, $15 a month for them, like, to create you, to give you a capture page or whatever it is, and then, like, they email everybody for you. Yeah, you can do that on your own. I don't need, like, no extra system. I'm tired of buying system. I'm tired of buying lead generation stuff. So that's why, like, I like testing stuff myself to see which one work better. And honestly, I try them all. I try Aweber, I try TCP, I try OSP, I try I try them all. So far, Build is the baby, is my boo. I like it, I love it. You can do whatever you want. They basically have the templates for you. All you gotta do, put your information. It's like a drag and drop. It's like ClickFunnels, but cheaper. Think about that. It's like ClickFunnels added with OSP, added with Aweber, and all of them in one. Yeah, access. The thing that's very important for me, because like access to your leads is very important, because the thing is, yes, they're sending like high converting emails for you, like, high pitching emails to those leads, but especially when it takes 5 to 7 times for them to see something and then they sign up. Okay, do those leads go to me or do leads go to you? So even if they sign up, I have no idea. And if they sign up with you, let's say the sale go to you by mistake, there's no way to how they call that, there's no way to bring the sale back. I basically lost it, and you're not even gonna send me my $80 because of the mistake. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm Mary. How are you? Thanks for jumping on. I tried it, or it's a bit confusing. Yeah, I don't know why. I think if you kind of new, honestly, I'm gonna be honest. If you're new in the game, you just got started, or you're not used to building your own, let's say, website, capture page, and stuff like that. If you're not used to that, it might be a little confusing in a little bit. But the thing, that's why they have the video tutorials and stuff. They very details. There's some stuff, even me, even though I have some experience in doing those stuff on my own, there's some stuff I was confused myself. Once I watch the tutorials and I go along with them while I'm watching on my phone, and I'm watching the video tutorials on my phone and I'm following up with them on my computer, it was kind of basically easy. It's just basically like a drag and drop, some like stuff that you have to add. It's like, you will be confusing a little bit at first, but just watch the training, watch the video, you'll get it. Because I've seen your website and you created this on your own. Builder shouldn't be a big deal. Because if you can use Wix, you can use anything. You can create your capture page on your own. You can create a Facebook profile or stuff like that on your own. You don't have to go pay somebody else so that to do it for you. And yeah, you have you canceled? I hope you didn't cancel. Did you cancel it all? If you guys have any question, feel free to let me know. Alright, let's do a recap. Like 5 ways to more sales in your business. Step number 1, you need a sales funnel to grab people information to follow up with them, because people need to see your information many times before they sign up with you. Number 2, you need exposure on your business. I'm sorry guys, I'm just chilling on my day bed. And you need exposure. You need as many eyeballs on your opportunity as possible, because the more people that know about it, the more people are gonna join. And you need traffic. You can utilize either paid or free traffic. And also, you also need patience. Understand that things not gonna happen overnight. It's a process. You need to take your time and learn and learn and learn, and eventually you'll start getting your breakthrough. Don't compare your number, and that's very important. Do not compare yourself to other people. Other people that's getting success, because that will make you feel like you're not doing something right. Understand, everybody chapter 5 is not as the same as your chapter 1. So even all those people that you see that's being successful, they started somewhere, they went through the struggle, and now they're getting success. So don't be thinking that you're doing something wrong and you're getting discouraged. Just take your time. You go to the training. If you feel like you're missing something, go back to your training. And maybe you did miss something, and when you watch again, pay attention and implement what they are teaching you. If you just load yourself with all the information and you're not implement, doesn't make any sense. It's not gonna go anywhere. So learn the information. Find somebody that is getting success, that you can have a mentor. Basically not copy and paste what they do, but kind of follow a little bit, like a shadow, that you see what they're doing, so you can have a little bit of idea what you should be doing to start getting success. Because if they're doing something, they're getting great results, so that means what they're doing is working. So kind of see if you can get some input and do what they do. Alright, message me after this. Alright, I definitely will do that. And on that note, I won't keep you guys long. you know my internet did great. Let me go through the whole video. I hope I did give you some great value in this video. If I did, feel free to like, share, and comment, tag your team, and also tag anybody that you feel will need to hear this message. And if you haven't done so already, go back to my profile, choose the follow button, see first. And if you're watching on YouTube, feel free to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future training. And also, as you know, I also help people start their own business with $50 or less. If you're looking to start your own business, or you're looking to change or add another stream of income, feel free to message me, and we will talk to see which one of my income stream will be best fit for you. Because like I said, there's no side fit or opportunity. I might think this opportunity is good for you, and maybe the next one was better for you. So we're gonna talk to see which one was better for you. Hi Sabrina, what do you think? For jumping on, and I won't keep you guys long. I will see you on my next video. Have a great afternoon.